YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, hoping that all of you are doing well. So this is going to be our weekly reading in English language for all of the zodiac signs from Aries until Pisces. So if your sun, moon, rising sign is any of these, you can check the timestamps in the comment box below and check your readings for your zodiac signs. So this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link from that particular day onwards, for a period of 7 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. So it's hopefully it's going to be a very happy-go-lucky and auspicious week for all of our friends, as Saturn has gone direct, Mercury is in the direct motion now, and Jupiter is about to go direct in the sign of Virgo from 20th. So let us hope for some expansion, some good luck coming our way in the coming week. So let us take the blessing of divine and begin this reading from our first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Arian friends. Okay, so what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Arian friends? Wow. Lot of personal power, lot of inner strength, stability, security, blessings of divine realm, high intuition. Wow, fantabulous week. Very strong energies for my Aries friends. So there has been an opportunity which has come to our Arian friends in last week. They have sensed an opportunity that has come to them, which is a seed, which is a seed of growth. A certain clarity has come to them. Either it has come to them or they were wishing for so, and it is going to come to them in the coming week. So this is an opportunity of financial manifestation, growth, education. Something can be with regards to your can be an opportunity with regard to your child, an opportunity which is bringing you a lot of satisfaction, and which is exactly what they say, opportunities are waiting for you. So it is an opportunity that is knocking on your door, which is about to happen for you in the coming week. Okay, so let us see. So for many of my friends, this is a beginning of a course of some kind of occult that they want to pursue. Might be you want to become a psychic, you want to pursue an educational course, you want to become a card reader, a healer. So I feel in the coming week you are going to pursue some such kind of an educative program for yourself, and in doing so you are going to be connected with the divine realm, the goddesses, and a lot of intuitive abilities are going to be opened up for you in the coming week, and this is your source of personal power also. That's what they're telling me. So very fantabulous energies right from the beginning of the week. Monday, Tuesday, with the card of the strength, I see that you are gaining a lot of personal power. Exactly, news or of a birth or a new business opportunity. Exactly. So there is going to be a good news of a new business opportunity. It can be your own profession or a business that you're starting, or might be a new career that you want to pursue, or else I was feeling that there is a news on a child. So there can be a very happy good news of a child birth happening in a family in the coming week. Exactly. So very compassionate, very loving, caring energies. Monday, Tuesday, very strong, paying attention to yourself, paying attention to all of the people around you. And I do feel that you've suffered a lot, might be in your health, might be in any other area of your life in past, and you've built in inner courage and strength to face all the devils in the outside world and inside of you. So you've been working on your addictions, giving away all that was not right for you. Mid of the week, I see the energy of the Four of Pentacles, which tells me that you are feeling absolutely abundant. Your health is superb. But here there is a guidance message coming across that you should be doing a bit of charity during the Wednesday, Thursday time frame as well. You need to let go of your possessiveness or greed with regard to money, or might be your relationships. Towards the weekend, you are highly intuitive. Either you're visiting a person who is a psychic, who is an intuitive person, who is a healer, or this is your own energy that you're connecting with the divine realm. With the energy of moon, you are highly psychic and getting messages from the divine realm. So it is a time frame of balance coming into your life. It is a time frame of divine connections. It is a time frame for you to go with the flow and let go of things that are not serving you now. Yes, so if you're reading this, if you're seeking this reading with perspective of love, I do feel that there is going to be an offer of stability coming towards you. Might be there was a secretive relationship which was not manifesting before, but now in the divine realm is telling me that with in the divine timing, there is going to be stability, security coming in this relationship. The zodiac signs that are very evident for you are Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio in the coming week. Seven of emotions. Yes, a period to fantasize. With work regard, definitely new opportunities beginning for you. Most of you, I do feel there is a psychic career being started for you. Health is getting stabilized, financially very abundant week for you. So your angels are asking you to make an important decision that you've been putting off. It's likely you know which choice you should make, but you're procrastinating. So don't upset someone else. Ask heaven for guidance and then make the choice that celebrates who you truly are. So choose that option which is your authentic self. So whatever you want to pursue in your life now, in relationships, in your work area, choose that option which represents you as your authentic self. Wonderful, wonderful reading for my Arian friends. A very blessed week for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Opportunities are knocking on your door. Fantabulous. Wow, let's move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Taurus, and let us see how the coming week is going to be, how the coming week they say is going to unfold for our Taurian friends. Let us see the energy vibrations. Wow, just as Saturn goes direct, big justice coming in your favor. Wow, amazing. Seven of Cups, so many options to fantasize for. Your creativity, your imagination is soaring high in the coming week. Fantabulous. All that you had sown is what you're going to reap. It's the karma. It's the karmic rewards coming towards you and big blessings from your goddesses. Fantabulous week for our Taurian friends, and I do see that you have been very patient. You have been working on a certain project, or you have been working on yourself in the past, might be working on your energies. And there is an offer of healing. There is an offer of, upgrade of an internship, an apprenticeship that is coming towards you in the coming week. That is the divine gift of Saturn, the planet of Shani, going direct for your hard work in the coming week. Fantabulous energies for you. I do see you working very hard on something in the last week. Might be you were taking some kind of, yoga classes, or you were doing meditations, or you were taking some healings, and those healings, those classes, though have helped you release a major blockage from your third eye chakra and your crown chakra in the last week, which has opened you up for these new opportunities to manifest into your life in the coming week. Great energies for you. So you've had a lot of strength. You've been pursuing through a lot. And there is a big blessing that the goddess Sheravali Mata, Durga Mata, Navratri blessings is coming towards you. That's what they want me to, emphasize and let you know, that there is a big blessing from the goddess that is coming towards you. A divine goddess is connected with you who is bringing a lot of justice and balance into your life. So yeah, right at the beginning, Monday, Tuesday, I see either if you were fighting a court case, there is a big justice coming from the court of law. There can be a lawyer who is evident, a judge who is evident, or else these are your karmic rewards. You're eating in balance, your body is getting the balance back, and there is a lot of balance coming back into your routine. So Monday, Tuesday, very, very grounded energies. A Libra person can be evident around you. I do see Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra and Leo energies around you. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn energies as well in the coming week. Mid of the week, it's a time for you to daydream, fantasize and make choices of the options that are available for you. So this could be a time frame that you are seeking your options, you're fantasizing about these new opportunities that are coming towards you. Can be in your relationship area, can be in your work area, the offers that you are choosing from, and the only guidance that is coming towards you is to be more practical with the option that you choose. Be practical over here, they are telling me, is just to choose the path, that option for career, which is your soul life purpose, which gives you soulful joy and happiness. Towards the weekend, from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the energy of the strength card tells me you are gaining your power back, you're coming into your routines, you are very courageous, compassionate, and looking absolutely brilliant, shining your light onto the world. It's a time frame of personal power for you. Wow, exactly what I was feeling. Financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So if there was a court case that you were fighting, it's going to be in your favor. A big blessing is coming, a financial gain coming to you from a court case also, or else there is an upgrade happening to you. Might be heredity money. So there is an older man who becomes evident for you in the coming week. Dealing or relationship with an older man, might be he's a person in position in a company who is giving you these offers of raise, bringing you justice, or might be he is your father, father-in-law, somebody who is giving you these offers of blessings, heredity money. And the month of July has been stated over here. So this better if the month of July 2021 was of some kind of importance for you, or might be something that you've started now is going to manifest thoroughly for you in July 2022. That's what they want to indicate. Or might be there is a person who has their birthday in the month of July who is evident for you, something of the sorts. Wow, manifest your dreams. Absolutely wonderful reading for you. So it's a time frame of manifestations and big blessings coming for you, because you changed your perspective towards the things that you were seeing. You're ready to go. There's no need for additional preparation. So you've been hanging on from a long time. You've been waiting. You've been having patience. Take the first steps towards the changes you desire. Wow, even if there are small steps, Notice signs that guide you in the right direction, as well as resources and supports that miraculously appear. Fantabulous energies with the number 1. It's a new start for you. It's a time frame of manifestation of your dreams, definitely. So fantabulous reading for you, just as Jupiter goes direct, Saturn goes direct, and Mercury goes direct for my Taurian friends. Enjoy yourself and make this new start happen in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes to you. So far so good. Let us move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Gemini. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week? Wow, amazing. Feeling abundant, looking beautiful. Fantabulous energies for my Gemini friends in the coming week. A big change and transformation, a big shift from your body, a big release from your body that is going to bring you a lot of financial stability. All that was lacking in your all that was scarce, that you ever felt was scarce in your life, is going to be released in the coming week. A big revelation, a big transformation happening for you with the Tower card, which is going to bring you a lot of financial upgrade, heredity money, independent business, independent professions, a change, and a lot of stability, security, property manifesting into your life, jewelries, gifts, you giving yourself love. It is a fantabulous week for my Gemini friends. And the family wishes are being granted for you in the coming week. Something big. Now this something big, I feel, you know, my camera just got shaken up. So it's going to be a shake up, it's going to be a jolt, it's going to be a change, definitely, for you in the coming week. So it's coming like a big jolt, which is like, you know, a shock, but in a good way. So something that was lacking in your life that you had felt in past is going to be, you know, eradicated completely from you. So a big opportunity of a shift, change, can be of a residential move, can be of a career change. Let me just see that, you know, whatever I'm reading, I had a big shake up over here. So is it, yeah, so the cards are visible. So yeah, let me get back to you. So I feel that, you know, all in all, there is a move being planned for you. Now this move can be a residential move to another city, state, or a country, which is giving you a lot of abundance, financial stability, as well. It is giving you some kind of, you know, opportunity of, you know, manifestation of independence into your life. And for some of my other friends, this is a change of job, work area, shift. It can be a shift from the work area and the residential area both. So there is going to be a big release from your body in the mid of the week. So start of the week, Monday, Tuesday, feeling rejuvenated, feeling wearing good clothes, buying clothes, feeling luxurious, feeling, you know, absolutely abundant in your life. Mid of the week, this revelation, this news comes to you, and from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, some kind of a financial, you know, gain coming towards you. News of some kind of stability, security, get-togethers with friends and family members, feeling very abundant and happy. Stable, secured, grounded energies for you in the coming week. Exactly. Family wishes coming true. So might be, you know, marriages being fixed for somebody, childbirths happening, big happy changes. That's what I would, you know, call this reading. Victory in Sun and Tower. Exactly. These are the big happy changes, work achievement and success. fantabulous energies for you. Work, achievement, success, victory in some endeavor, and family wishes coming true. What more could you have asked for, my dear friends, in any area of your life, be it relationship, be it career, be it your health? There is going to be big happy changes happening for you in the coming week. Five of Thoughts. The path that you were on seemed like the right one, but now you've run into a challenge. There's a better direction for you that will make you much happier in the end. Yes, exactly. In the mid of the week, this revelation is going to take place. This, awakening is going to happen for you. And a certain path that you were taking, you're going to change that path and make a very big decision, which is going to bring a lot of abundance into your life. Changes are necessary so that you can get back on track. Avoid negative people who are draining or who bring unwanted drama into your life. So I do feel that there were negative people, there were, relationships that were draining, that were bringing negativity into your life. I feel it is a big time frame of a change into your life wherein you have to choose all that is positive and you have to go with the flow of positive changes into your life. So very brilliant reading for my Gemini friends. Loving it for the 3 signs I've already read. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign. Let's see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Cancerian friends as the Saturn goes direct and the planet of luck and expansion, Jupiter going direct in the coming week, and as well the planet of challenges for communications, our Mercury as well is going direct. So let us see the blessings. My God, the cards are just rushing for my Cancerian friends. Let us see the blessings coming for our Cancerian friends. Wow, it's a new start. Fantabulous, freedom, positivity, healing, and a new start. Travel and journey manifested for you in the last week already. Big transformation and a release of a lot of blockages from your body. Your inner child heals in the coming week. So there is a situation with a child, and there is a situation of a big movement and an ending that is happening into your life. This is a situation of a big transformation, and the zodiac signs that I see over here are Scorpio, Cancer, Piscean, Scorpio, Capricorn, Aries, and Leo. So very big week of transformation for my Cancerian friends. This is a heart chakra opening up. This energy is the energy of your inner child healing, a very big blockage releasing from your body. Let me read it. Let me see what it is, because the two very major cards have come here in your reading, and these are negative cards. But I am at the message that they are giving me is that, freedom is manifesting into your life, and something that was, your big blockage is going to be released. But I have to see what else is there. I hope there is no negative message, because with the death card and the tower card, it can be symbolic of an ending or a death, a shocking news of a death or an ending also. So let me see what they want to tell me. It can be that news for some of my friends. So for some of my friends, I do feel that, if you had an infatuation towards a person, or a certain person was infatuated towards you, it can be a time frame of a big revelation, and an end of that situation might be you yourself decide to end this relationship with them. Might be there is a younger partner and you feel that, this relationship cannot bring any kind of stability into your life. So it is possible that you are going to end this relationship. So there is death and tower, there is an absolute ending of a relationship. I do see a child being evident. So there is a certain situation in the life of your child, might be, which is ending, or might be there is a big release of a certain blockage from their body. We are going to see further details as to what this is hinting on for some of my friends, but in a very rare case, there is going to be, a shocking news of some kind of an ending in somebody's family that I do feel is going to happen in the coming week with these two major arcana cards. It's a major shift happening. It is, Saturn going direct with something that, that was not serving you well is going to be removed from your life forever and ever. So let me see. Yeah, so there is a situation with regard to your partner or with regard to your parent. So there is a certain situation with regard to a child or a mother or a parent, and that situation there is going to be a final decision with regard to that. So Monday, Tuesday, I do see your inner child healing, a sudden news that is a surprise, and which is going to lead to some kind of an ending or a shock. So it is a time frame of a sudden news. For some of my friends, this news is going to bring growth and abundance, but at the face of it, it can look like a very shocking news to you. Now let me see. However, freedom is manifesting into your life. Take care, enemies are working against you. So yeah, so there can be some fights in the coming week. There can be some eruptions, as in anger bursts happening. Okay, scissors, disappointment in some affairs. So you are going to cut your cords from this person. If it is in a relationship scenario, I do feel that you are absolutely going to decide to part away from this person who is always giving you some kind of disappointment. Lastly, peace and harmony is going to manifest into your life. So whatever this shift, this change, this big shocking, disastrous situation they are telling me, it can be leading to a lot many fights and the end of your relationship with somebody. Eventually it will bring peace and harmony. So what you were trying to pursue was not based on a solid ground. So there is going to be a shift in that. There is going to be an end of that energy. Let us see. Two of abundance. Life may be feeling a little out of balance right now. You could be working multiple jobs or trying to make a change to your dream careers. It's important to keep things light and stay in touch with your inner child. Exactly, I feel that you need to heal your inner child. Make your work as playful as possible. Multitasking with a positive attitude brings success. I do feel that some of you are absolutely going to decide to give up on the work that you are doing, and you are going to move towards a certain creative venture. So you're going to you're going to decide to cut your cords from negative people, places and situations in the coming week. It is a time frame of a big transformation coming for you, and you are going to choose freedom, and you're being guided to choose freedom. I do feel that something new, all that was blocking you, all that was restricting you, is going to end in the coming week. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that's just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you've so focused on by choosing a different path. Yeah, exactly, you need to choose a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. So yes, it is a week of a big transformation, big change happening for my Cancerian friends. and which is eventually going to give birth to a lot of, stability, security, peace and harmony into your life. So let us see how this info unfolds for you for the coming week. So let us move forward to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Leo, and let us see what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Leo friends. So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Leo friends? So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week? Okay. So some of our Leo friends are, working, doing some shadow work, and what they are being guided, what the universe is telling me that, they need to focus more on the past life healing. So there is some blockages that are because of their karma, might be the karma of this life or might be the karma of the past life, and that needs to be worked on, that needs to be healed on for my, Leo friends, in order to bring stability, security into their life. So there is a mirror aspect that I am seeing over here. You need to take healings all through the coming week, and during these healings you need to ask the universe to cleanse you of the past life karma, the karma of this life and the karma of the past of many other life. There is one healing on our YouTube channel which says past life, cutting karmic cords of past life. That healing you need to take for yourself in the coming week. Okay, so if you're reading this from the love perspective, I do feel that you have been in isolation from a very long time and waiting on a partner, but something somewhere goes in such a way that you feel you are backstabbed and you have been left alone. Or might be this is a time frame that this period of you being backstabbed by people is going to be eradicated, and that is going to happen only once you have your own healings. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, exactly, I do see you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I do see you taking these healings, wishing to stay in isolation and wishing to work on your own energies. And then mid of the week I do see you having some kind of a communication with a person from past. Now this person can be in your neighborhood, or this person can be your sibling, your child, your partner, your parents, something of the sorts. And towards the end of the week I do see some kind of a documentation work and a big justice coming from the court of law. So these are the documents from the court of law. So this is a balance coming in what kind of karma you have done. So whatever kind of karma you have done, that it's a mirror, it's a week of the mirror image of the karma that you did, and so is what you are going to reap. So this situation is with regard to your partner, this situation is with regard to your mother, this situation is how you treated your mother, this situation is how you treated your partners. So something of the sorts in this life or past life, if you did good karmas, that is going to be paid for you. If not, the documentation is with that regard. So okay, over here for some of my friends I do also see that there is a reconciliation happening and court marriages being fixed if you with your ex-partners, your lovers from childhood. So after this meditation and healing, there is a possibility of a court marriage happening with or a reconciliation that is happening. If you were fighting a court case for your mother, or for your partner, with your partner, the justice is going to come in your favor. And I do feel that what kind of karma you have done. If you've been on the right path, this justice will come to you for the properties, for any other area. But if you have been on the wrong path, might be this justice goes into the favor of your partner or your mother. So there is a lawyer evident over here, there is a doctor evident over here. So there is a report. It can be a health report for my Leo friends. For some of my friends, either you or a family member, I do feel is not well, is admitted, is needing time for recovery for their health. So something of the sorts. I do see Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio people evident around you. A Virgo person is evident around you in the coming week. So Saturn goes direct, and absolutely there is going to be some kind of a shift that you're going to experience in your life. This can be a heredity, money, paper or documentation that you're writing for your child, or it might be your parents are writing for you. Something of the sorts is also happening over here, because someone is unwell and you are, feeling that, you need to distribute your, properties or your heredity money. You need to discuss that with your children. Something of the sorts is happening. Yes, pay attention to your health, my Leo friends. You need to work on your third eye chakra, your sacral chakra. Keep taking past life healings. Announcement, exactly. Bell. So this is a good announcement for some of my friends. I feel a reconciliation with the partner, a court marriage, or divorce announcement for some of my friends if you were already married and you wanted to separate, or a court marriage for some of my friends, an announcement of a will, a property announcement for some of my other friends. So there is a big declaration going to happen in the coming week for my Leo friends. So let us see what else is there. Nine of Emotions is a card of a wish fulfillment happening for some of my friends who are over here. That's fantabulous. So they say this is a magical time in your life when wishes are granted and dreams come true. It may seem that good luck is following you, but actually these happy times are your just rewards of being a loving and wonderful person. For somebody who is seeking this reading, it is a big reward from of your good karma that is coming to you. You have been doing good karma in past, and that is going to come to you in the coming week. Your angels are asking you to enjoy your life and have fun. Fantabulous. Nine of Thoughts for someone else. Stop being so hard on yourself and turn your thoughts towards the positive. So there is a blockage in your third eye chakra. You need to work on that. Negative thinking patterns. There's no need to worry. Anticipate the worst. It isn't helpful. Know that the heaven will provide a solution. If you're experiencing sleepless nights or anxiety over a challenge in your life, release the problem to the angels. This I did see in the Hindi reading also, that my Leo friends are going through some kind of a challenge which is making them feel very, very sad, and they are not even having a good night's sleep. So you've got to release all that, surrender all that to the divine in the coming week. So wish you all the best. Now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let us see what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Virgo friends as the Jupiter goes direct, Saturn goes direct, and Mercury goes direct. And the good news is that the Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion, is going direct in the sign of Virgo. That is fantabulous. I'm very happy for my Virgo friends as the Jupiter, planet of luck and expansion, goes direct in your zodiac sign, bringing a big luck towards you. And they're telling me that your karmic battles are ending. A lot of stability, security and abundance is about to manifest into your life. Great. So there is a wish fulfillment happening for you in the coming week, and this wish fulfillment can be with regard to you, with regard to your parent, your partner, or a person who is very dear to you. So can be so last week I do feel that you've experienced some kind of challenges, some ego clashes while you were dealing with your company people, working on projects, or might be in the family matters. There were people and challenges, and egoistic people around you might be. In the coming week, Monday, Tuesday, I see you working a lot, ending some kind of burdens, completing a project. So I do see that a certain release is about to happen from your energy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I see you gaining back your control. Might be you become a bit more controlling Tuesday, Wednesday in your energies, or this is a certain person around you who is in an authoritative position, who is more controlling towards you. Can be your partner, can be your father, can be a person in an authoritative position in a company who is having a discussion control over you. Thursday, Friday, towards ending of the working week, I see a big wish fulfillment happening for you. So this can be a wish fulfillment for your father, your partner. This is a wish fulfillment of expansion, movement to another city, state, or a country, or a partnership business. That is coming towards you. Some of you are having an upgrade in a company wherein that you are coming with the shareholders, with the seniors. You are having a discussion to hold the shares of the company with your seniors. So yeah, a lot of love, a lot of balance, harmonious relationships eventually coming into your life with this major shift that is happening, that is Jupiter going direct into your sign. It is a time frame of a lot of hope, inspiration, wish fulfillment, and a balance in your love relationships in all areas of life. If you were wishing to manifest marriage for yourself, there is going to be an offer coming to you from an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius person, and there is going to be a balance in that relationship. And if you were seeking an opportunity to move to another city, state, or a country, of an upgrade, of a business, of a partnership, of a work opportunity, that is going to come to you from a senior, from a person in a senior position is going to bless you in that opportunity. Exactly, plenty of material things. This is what I was thinking, that this blessing is coming on your root chakra, your solar plexus chakra. Lot of stability, security manifesting into your life. Muddled, unclear thinking, I feel, was happening in the last week, or might be a bit of it you're going to experience by Monday. Three of thoughts, might be you did feel this energy in the last week. Loving angels surround you to heal and comfort you. The sadness you feel will fade away in time, and then you will be able to see clearly how important this situation has been for your spiritual growth. Take the time that you need to forgive yourself and others so that you can embrace the future with joy. So it is a time frame of you opening up for forgiveness. This muddled, unclear thinking, either you were operating from ego or a person around you, that all is going to be released in the coming week, and a big blessing coming towards you in your work area, or your relationship area, or your health. It's going to gain stability, security. There is a lot of hope and inspiration for you in the coming week. So fantabulous week for you. Balance, love, spiritual connections for my spiritual friends. A lot of abundance manifesting into your life. So even I do feel that some of you are traveling towards the weekend, something of the sorts. For my Virgo friends, so very blessed week ahead for my Virgo friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Enjoy yourself. Let us move further and see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Leo friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Leo friends? Let us see the energy vibrations. Tower card. The week of a big transformation, big change. Heading towards our Leo friends in the coming week. And this transformation is going to bring a lot of stability, security, your personal power back to you. This transformation or change can be with regard to your partner, your parent, an elderly person around you. Can be your father, can be your father-in-law, can be your partner, can be a senior in a company. Let me pull one more card. Queen of Cups. Okay. It's a time frame of a manifestation in the life of my Libra friends. So a big change heading towards them. A certain clarity on a situation that was not there before. So a certain blockage from their body is going to be released Monday, Tuesday, which is going to bring them a lot of soulful joy, peace and calm and stability into their life or into the life of their parent or their partner. Okay, so there is a situation wherein exactly what I feel, a big shocking news or a transformation is happening Monday, Tuesday. Now this can be a jolt, that is, it can be a blockage released from your body which you can experience in the form of headaches, vomits. For some of my friends, for others of my friends, this can be on the earth plane, that a sudden shocking news comes to you, and this shocking news can be a big revelation, which can be with regard to a certain person around you who is very caring, nurturing, or a senior person. Can be with regard to your parents or your partner, I do feel. The zodiac signs which are evident over here are Capricorn, Aries, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. These are the zodiac signs that are evident over here. Mid of the week, some kind of a controlling situation, or might be there is a person who is controlling around you mid of the week. So can be you are being more controlling in your energies, can be your partner, your parent, a senior person, a sibling who is older in age. Towards the weekend, I do see very nurturing energies. Either you are nurturing, taking care of somebody. This situation could be, with regard to the health of a senior person. Also might be you are caring and you are giving some healing to a senior person around you. Younger men also, they are saying, is going to be evident. So they say dealing or relationship with a younger man is going to be evident for my Libran friends in the coming week. So there can be a situation of dealing with the younger men. I feel that some of my friends are, giving healings, are being nurturing to a younger man around you. Cheerful, someone new is entering your life. So this is a good energy of someone new entering your life. Might be, a younger person is leaving your business, or a younger person is, this younger person can be entering your life for some of my Libran friends, or this younger person could be leaving your life, and so someone else is entering your life. So this is going to be evident for you in the coming week. Helper of thought. So this revelation, a new, some kind of an idea is going to come towards you in the coming week. So they say it's time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. So, this younger person, if this person makes you feel, cluttered or, unhealthy in some way, you need to get rid of this person. Might be people who take from you but don't give back could be released as well. Yeah, exactly. So I feel that, you are releasing somebody from your life and making place for someone new to enter into your life. So great. People who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. You or another person involved in this situation is wise. insightful and caring, have a wonderful sense of humor, and offers a lot of life experience. So I do see that there is an experienced person, there is a healer around you in the coming week. So might be you opt for this person and give up on a younger partner. So there is going to be a divine clarity, a revelation happening for you in the coming week, my Libra friends. In a relationship scenario also, I feel that there can be a big change, transition heading towards you. You making a choice for the partner you want to pursue in your life. Yes, in a work area also, there is going to be some kind of a change or a revelation happening, and can be with regard to health of a parent or a partner. So now let us move further and see what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpion friends. So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpion friends? Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpion friends. So let me take 3 cards over here. Okay, one more. So it is a time frame of a big judgment, evaluation, re-evaluation with regard to a certain opportunity, which can be with regard to your child or an opportunity of financial manifestation growth. Monday, Tuesday, I do feel that there is a situation of some kind of a lack happening. Even Wednesday, Thursday, all of the week, I do see you remorsing on the health of a certain person. Now this can be your parent, this can be your child, or this is some kind of a lack that you are sensing, might be in your relationship from your partner, parent, or a child, and you are analyzing, evaluating, re-evaluating this situation. There is a big change and transformation that is heading towards you in the coming week, and an older woman becomes evident for you in the coming week. So yeah, so this situation is with regard to mother for some of my friends, and with regard to your partner becomes evident, your mother becomes evident. So this is a situation of some kind of an awakening happening in your body, or it's a call of the angels for some of my friends. It can be a situation regarding their parent or a partner. Some of you are sensing Monday, Tuesday, sensing a lot of lack. Might be a situation of health. Something is gone wrong in the health of your parent or your partner, and you're feeling a lot of sadness, a lot of uneasiness around this situation. Mid of the week, you're remorsing some kind of a loss. For some of my friends, this can be a situation of loss of a certain family member also. Very rare, 1% of cases, and for the others, it is a time frame of evaluating and re-evaluating your situations and reconciling with your partners, with your parents. It is a time frame of evaluating every situation that has gone wrong on your part, wherein you were not giving your time, energy, your resources to your parents, your partners, your children, and then analyzing this situation well for yourself. So it is a time frame of a big awakening happening for you. Towards the weekend, from Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, it will be your final decision, a big awakening from the universe, a judgment coming from the divine realm for you. Danger, especially in money matters. That's what I'm sensing at the start of the week, Monday, Tuesday. There is a certain loss in finances also. I feel that you are remorsing, can be a theft that is happening. Be very careful, because I see a loss and a theft happening also. And an older woman becomes evident. So there is a dealing and a relationship with an older woman. Might be her health is suffering, and so you are really sad, or there is a sad news that has come with regard to this older woman. Nine of emotions, however, is a card of a wish fulfillment happening. So might be there is a reconciliation with an older woman that happens during this time frame. So they say this is a magical time in your life when wishes are granted and dreams come true. It may seem that good luck is following you, but actually these happy times are just your rewards for being a loving and wonderful person. Your angels are asking you to enjoy your life and have more fun. So there is a certain situation around a certain older woman. And Nine of Thoughts, these are the similar cards which emerged in some other zodiac signs reading also. I am not remembering, might be, in the Leo. For Leo zodiac sign also, the reading was quite similar, which is exactly almost similar for Scorpio zodiac sign. So might be, there is a relation. So Nine of Thoughts, stop being so hard on yourself and turn your thoughts towards the positive. There's no need to worry. Anticipating the worst isn't helpful. Know that heaven will provide a solution. If you're experiencing sleepless nights and anxiety over a challenge in your life, release the problem to angels. So release this problem. However, you are heading towards a very, very big change. For some of my friends, there can be a situation that you have your periods and there is a loss of miscarriage. There is a loss of child, that is happening. However, this child can be reborn in future. So and that that will happen with time. So it is a time frame for you in the coming week to evaluate and re-evaluate your situations. So very, very major weeks for some of my zodiac signs. I see Libra, Leo, Scorpio, Cancer going through major transformations. Now let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Sagittarian. Let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends. Dear angels, let us see the energy vibrations. So again, a time frame of a big judgment coming from the divine realm. It is a time frame of you evaluating and re-evaluating your situations. The situation with regard to your partner, with regard to your mother becomes very evident. There is a big judgment that is going to come for you from the divine realm in the coming week. The situation can be with regard to your child also. So in the last week, I do feel that you were remorsing on a certain situation that you were stuck on. You were, remorsing for a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person or a Taurus person. And in the coming week, I do see that, love is going to manifest. There is going to be a situation of reconciliations with your partner, with your children, with your mother. You're going to enjoy a time of reconciliation, happiness, because of your good karma. There are opportunities of growth, abundance manifesting into your life. Yes, so if you were seeking childbirth for yourself, I do feel that if you ever lost a child via miscarriage, that child is going to have a rebirth for you, and this conception is going to happen for you. They have also given a month, might be the month of January becomes evident for you. So for all of my friends over here who are seeing this reading, a certain opportunity of marriage settlement, reconciliations with a partner, a younger partner might be, this reconciliation happens in the month of January 2021. Or some of my Sagittarius friends, there is an opportunity of upgrade and financial manifestation. If you've started a business, you've started a work, it is a slow moving energy of financial manifestation which will start to show its results in the month of January 2022. Birth purge, waiting on news package letter. Exactly that announcement of the wait that you were having on a package letter or a news can be with regard to health of a parent or a child, or can be, with regard to this abundant opportunity of, um, manifestation of a new career growth or a business offer. Dagger, fear, worries, tense situations. So I do feel that you are going through this fear, worry and tense situation from the last week. There is some news that has come to you which is causing you this kind of fear, worries and tense situation. However, the divine realm wants to tell you that the opportunities that are coming for you or for your child or for your partner are the opportunities of re-evaluation and a rebirth. And so you come out of these fear tense situations. Exactly, review and contemplate your life. So they say you've accomplished a great deal in your life and you have much to be proud of. Now it's time to decide what's next. Exactly, evaluate and re-evaluate your life into what you want to manifest into your life. As you contemplate the past and the present, you'll get clear on your divine life purpose. So this is a time frame for many of my friends to, pursue the path of their divine life purpose. Don't be distracted by conventional thinking, be the real you. Exactly, I was thinking that, all that has been your conventional thinking. Come out of that, take the risk, think of new ideas, new ways. Abundance is manifesting into your life. All that was scarce is going to leave you in the coming week. So very, very fantabulous week for our Sagittarius friends. Let's move further and see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Capricorn friends. So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Capricorn friends? Dearest angels, let's see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Capricorn friends. So for our Capricorn friends, I do feel that Monday, Tuesday, there can be some kind of traveling that you are pursuing. Either there is an offer of travel that is coming into your life. Exactly, I do feel that, an opportunity of travel or movement for you or for a person around you that is going to bring you some kind of calmer times in your life. So I do feel that, you have suffered a lot of pressure in the last week. Either, you or a person around you, can be an older person, a parent, was suffering in their health, and that was causing them and you a lot of stress in the last week. In the coming week, I do see that either there is a change in a residential situation. Either someone is traveling towards you or someone is moving away from you, or might be you are also traveling. There is movement, there is travel, there is stability, security, there is clarity of mind, and there is, all the chaos is behind you in the coming week for my Capricorn friends. So start of the week, an offer of upgrade, passion, financial manifestation comes to you from a person who is very clear, a person in a higher position in a company or your work area might be. And this is an offer of, financial benefit, stability, security manifesting into your life, which is going to take you away from all that was chaotic towards calmer times. Towards the weekend, there is going to be a lot of relaxation and calmer times heading towards you. I do see a Virgo person, very, very evident over here. A Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Taurian person, Sagittarius person. Very, very evident for you in the coming week. There could be an offer of settlement for you or your child. There is a middle person involved in a certain settlement with regard to your home or might be health of a person. I do feel there is a doctor, there is a lawyer, there is a judge, there is a person who is a middle person who is giving clarity on a certain situation. And if you were isolated from your partner, I do feel that, for somebody I'm reading who has been really suffering in their love life, if you were isolated away from your partner, There is a certain clarity going to come to you. Either you're going to travel towards them or they are going to travel towards you, or some plan of sorts. So I do see traveling. Something with regard to travel and financial gain is on cards for you in the coming week. Residential move. Exactly. So if you're reading this with the perspective of the health of a person, the health of a person is improving. If you're reading this to pursue a certain passion and you're a spiritual person, I do feel that there is an upgrade in your spiritual journey. Yes. Boot. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Exactly. I was feeling that, travel is involved. Might be you are being asked to travel to a place, a colder place in the coming weeks to, if you want to manifest this opportunity for yourself of a certain business, you need to travel for this. Might be you need to defend yourself. Exactly. Defend yourself from people who are, people, places and situations that are causing you a lot of burden, and fight for what you need to manifest for yourself. Letting go, release the past. Releasing the past can seem like a challenge, but it can also be liberating. Your angels will help you let go so that you can fly higher than ever before. Endings always herald new beginnings. Choose to allow this situation to lead you to a more joyful life. Change your life by changing your thoughts. So yeah, a change of perspective. There is a certain situation that is ending in your life in the coming week, and you need to change your perspective with regard to that situation. A lot of clarity is going to come towards my Capricorn friends. This is a blessed week wherein your challenges are going to be away from you. So I wish you all the best. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Aquarian friends? So our Aquarian friends are planning of a holiday, or might be they are going on a vacation holiday in the coming week, or might be their child is coming home for a holiday. I do feel that the energy of freedom and isolation, they want to, Monday, Tuesday, they want to be with themselves, contemplating a certain situation, and ending their burdens. So they want to meditate, they want to take healings, they want to be with themselves. And from Wednesday, Thursday, a new offer, beginning of a new offer, a new life path is going to happen for you. So it is going to be a week of a big wish fulfillment. Your heart chakra opening up can be for you, or can be for somebody you have on your mind. Might be you're infatuated towards a certain person who was not in contact with you, and a certain clarity comes to you from them in the coming week. So Monday, Tuesday, I do see that you are not in contact with them, and from mid of the week there is a new journey, freedom manifesting into your life, a good news that is coming towards you, and clarity on a certain situation comes towards you. Weekend, I do feel that there is either you are in an energy to cut off people, places and situations that are causing you negativity. You're protecting yourself from a person who is just in a need of a casual relationship, or might be you are protecting your heart chakra from getting hurt again. So I do feel that there can be a situation with regard to your child. So there is a situation with regard to your child, might be you're protecting your child. For my Aquarian friends, I do feel that a certain family member or might be you is needing your health care. There are going to be reports on their health. I feel Monday, Tuesday, they are going to be hospitalized, might be, or they need time in isolation. Very soon this situation is going to heal. So there is a big blessing that is coming to you from for you or for your child. from the court of law also I do feel, or from there is a doctor, there is a person around you, there is an Aries person, Libra person, Aquarius person, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Aries, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person brings you a good news in the coming week, which is a commitment, which is a divine blessing. So if you were seeking an opportunity of work and creativity, a big wish fulfillment happens to you from a big institute, a company, a news comes to you in the coming week. And if you were wishing for childbirth, if you were not able to manifest childbirth via naturally, that opportunity will manifest for you if you undergo the sword. And for some of my other friends, this is a new relationship manifesting into commitment in the coming week. So big blessings coming for from the spiritual realm, your ancestors, your deceased loved ones. And some of my friends have finally decided to upgrade themselves in their spiritual journey. You are becoming a big healer, a big teacher for many of my friends around you. There's a good news heading towards you in the mid of the week, Wednesday, Thursday. Honor and respect will come to you. Fantabulous. Some of you are absolutely big healers, big teachers, spiritual guides to many people. So that kind of an honor or respect or an upgrade happening in your company, which can involve movement to another city, state, or a country. So this is a big time frame of a big good news heading towards you. 9 of abundance, your lower chakras also gaining stability. Life is wonderful. Your hard work and dedication to your dreams will provide you with great peace and contentment. Fantabulous. Take time to enjoy quiet moments of reflection and leisure. Feel free to buy yourself small luxury gifts. You want the financial security and independence. You now enjoy that. Fantabulous energies for yourself. So very, very abundant week for you. I feel that freedom healings are going to bring you a lot of freedom and clarity into your life. So lots of love and best wishes to my Aquarian friends. Let's move further towards our last zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Energy vibrations of the coming week for our Piscean friends. Let us see the energy vibrations. So, an opportunity of education, stability, security, financial manifestation, manifesting in their life. Monday, Tuesday, learning a new skill might be. Mid of the week, relaxing in a mode to not interact with anybody might be. It is also possible that a certain family member is, wishing isolation for their healings. So mid of the week, I do feel that either you or a certain person around you is taking healings. And towards the end of the week, there is a good news heading towards you. So all that was in suspense, all that was unrevealed to you is going to be revealed in the coming week. There is going to be a wish fulfillment. A lot of balance is going to be restored into your life. Exactly as I said, that keep your life in balance. Yeah, so balance is going to be restored into your life, and that balance is going to come into your life with the healings only, I feel. Okay, so very, very stable energies for you. Monday, Tuesday, you are pursuing a new talent, a new educative program, or might be there is a start of a committed relationship for you. Mid of the week, I do feel that you are not in an interactive mode. You don't want to interact with anybody who causes you stress. So you want to stay away from worldly pressures and stress. Might be you're traveling. From Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I do see that, a time frame of a wish fulfillment, happiness, success, content, satisfaction, emotional satisfaction. That's what you're feeling. The zodiac signs that are evident for you are Sagittarius, Virgo, Taurus, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. These can be the people who are bringing these satisfaction, content into your life. and this stability, security is going to manifest for you in divine timing. So I do see a younger partner for some of my friends who are over here, and there will be a satisfactory communication with them from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and your life is going to gain back its balance. Charity, someone is leaving your life. So there is also possibility that there is somebody who is unwell, who is wishing to be in isolation. So there is somebody who is leaving your life in the coming week. Six of Thoughts. So peaceful times are ahead for you. That is a good news. In your work area also, I feel a certain opportunity is coming towards you, which is an opportunity of movement, travel to another city, state, or a country, which is going to help you in upgrade education wise also as well. It is going to be a holiday time frame for you. Some of my friends, I feel that you're rejuvenating your health and celebrating a certain holiday in the coming week. Six of Thoughts, peaceful times are on horizon. That is the good news for my Piscean friends looking for peace and harmony. Peaceful times are on horizon. The storms have passed and you can see that your destination is within sight. Wow. The stress in your life will begin to fade away, allowing your happier times. It may be necessary to take a journey over water or another country. So I was feeling some kind of a journey or travel is being planned for you to another city, state, or a country. Movement might be in the coming week, or might be you are contemplating this move. Travel might be to educate yourself or your child or your partner, or an upgrade in work area. So very, very satisfactory week for you. Balance, peace and balance is going to be restored back. So wishing you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to my Piscean friends, and lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends here on Healing Souls. Wish you a very, very happy week ahead. Thank you very much, dear friends.